Hi! Good evening po sa inyong lahat. Ito po ulit kami. Here we are. We're on live again on video for you all. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon for everyone.
Hello, kamusta po kayo lahat? Magandang umaga, magandang tanghali, magandang hapon. Kahit saan man sulok kayo ng mundo, kamusta po kayo lahat dyan?
Si Molet Aranza po ako.
Ako po si Ayan Aranza.
Magandang hapon, magandang gabi. Time check, it's 10:04 in the evening at labos na pasasalamat po ako dito sa aking waswit or asawa. Sorry, waswit. Pinaunlakan ulit ako na suportahin ako dito sa live video na utlit na ito. At nandito po kami sa Virginia, sa USA, sa East Coast. And we're here. And Tubong, Pampanga po ako. And he's from Tubong,
Manila, San Pablo, Laguna.
but
Lumaki
Manila.
sa Mandaluyong, pero po sa labas.
Sa labas.
Okay.
Okay.
Bigyan niyo po ng konting pansin itong pong video na to.
Because we're gonna talk about this is as part of our video series from the Quick Answers for Curious Minds series, and the title for now is actually ano nga ba?
What kind of business do we have?
Yes. And actually, this is a common question that we get from friends, family, and even people on social media. And always saying like, what kind of business do you have now? Okay. And the answer is simple. We help individuals who want to start earning an income online, whether part-time or full-time. Okay. We provide them with access to a proven business platform and guide them step by step from A to Z to get started. Okay. The best part, you don't need to be an existing business owner. You don't need to have your own products or even sell anything, right, Pa?
Yeah.
Have you seen me sell anything?
No.
Okay. And what you do need though is a strong reason, your why.
Bakit?
Bakit? Bakit? Why do you want to start a business? That should be a very strong why. Okay? Why is this the right time for you? If you're coachable and willing to learn, look at my husband. Look at
I'm learning.
he's learning. He's very coachable. And we can help you succeed. And look at him. Wala po yung alam sa ano. Kaya tignan nyo, kahit na hindi ho siya talagang, kahit na huwag nyo sabihin, hindi ako tech savvy, hindi ko ano, tignan mo siya, kahit konti na ano, talagang natututo siya. Okay? Our business is in the digital marketing space, obviously. Okay? And we promote it primarily through social media. Kaya ho nakikita nyo ako parate sa social media. Imagine dati hindi naman ako parating nasa social media. Dati ang nakikita nyo, pag nakikita ho yung meron akong post dati, kahit na Molet and Ayan Aranza yan, siya po yun.
Yeah, kaya join na lang kayo.
Have a good time. Okay? So, our business, kaya nga, through social media, yun nga, we promote it primarily through social. When you join us, you'll have access to training on various social media platforms to help you build and grow your business. So marami ho yan. We have several. I think we have some 7 social media platforms access training inside our hub, community hub. And the next question is,
What about the investment?
yes,
Magkano ba yan?
magkano? Yes, that's also, uh, of course, you know what? Since our business is global, it's in the whole world, okay? It's global, kaya nga sinabing global. Kahit ho saan,
Kahit saan po kayo sulok ng mundo.
okay. The investment required can vary depending on where you're located. Kaya nga, since it is global, the investment required can vary depending on where you're located. Kaya iba-iba ho yan ang investment. And the options you choose to start with, yan, iba-iba ho yun. May options din ho yan. To make things simple, we recommend attending our free workshops or watching the introductory video first. It's completely free. Kaya gaya parati sinasabi ni Ayan, libre naman ho. Di ba?
Yeah, laway lang ang puhunan.
Laway lang ang puhunan. It's completely free and provides detailed information about how everything works. Now, if you decide to move forward, okay, there's $149 fee. At we already explained that yung sa video series namin dyan sa frequently asked questions yan. There's $149 fee to gain access to the next level of information and resources. This fee is refundable within 30 days, giving you peace of mind. After that, we'll discuss the different investment options available based on your comfort level. Based on your comfort level. That's our business. Helping people from all walks of life enter the online space with the support and tools they need to succeed. Ganun lang po kasimple. Okay? So, kung meron pa ho kayong ibang questions, sabihin nyo lang po sa amin. At as usual, ang aming pong website, ito po is
www.mariamoletaranza.com.
Hanggang sa muli, ano ba yun?
Muling pagkikita. At pupulong. At sama-sama tayo ulit.
Sama-sama tayo ulit. Okay? So, kung meron po kayong mag-comment lang po kayo sa aking social media, sa aking personal, sa aking business. You're welcome. Kung gusto niyo pong i-friend po kami sa social media, you're welcome po. Mas maganda nga po kung magtanong po kayo o makipag-usap po sa amin, makipagkwentuhan, okay lang po. Ay si Ayan po yan. Kahit na po tuldok-tuldok lang yan sa makikipagkwentuhan po yan. Pindot-pindot. Gustong-gusto po niya yan kasi natututo siya. Mas gusto nga po niya natututo sa social media. Ho yan gustong-gusto naman ho niya yan. Kaya lang hindi lang po siya marunong ng konti. Pero gustong-gusto niya po talagang matuto. Interesado po siya. So hanggang sa simula, hanggang pa rin ako simula.
Hindi. Hanggang sa uli.
Hanggang sa uli. Hanggang sa uli. Anyway, sige na lang po.
Sa uulitin po.
Sa uulitin. Ayun. Hanggang sa uulitin. Opo.
Okay.
Sige po. Bye-bye na po.
Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat.
Hanggang sa uling sa uulitin
na susunod na kabanata.
Mga other questions. Bye-bye na po. Sana po nanonood pa rin kayo. Alam ko we're trying to make it more entertaining next time. Kaya nag-iisip ako kung paano kayo may entertain para makapag-keep na hanggang sa huli. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.